So first of all, I want to thank everybody for what was a really interesting seminar. And I really liked the quote, which I won't get exactly right, that Tachi made, quoting Bill Gates, where he said that we need to be judged not by how technology advances, but how those advances are used to reduce inequality. And I think that's at the heart of what it is we're trying to talk about. From GAVI's point of view, vaccines are the most cost-effective intervention in healthcare, and we're trying to, in this 5-year period, immunize 250 million children with these new vaccines and save an additional 4 million lives. And I think that is a mission worthy of broader engagement. We welcome all of your help in that. There's also a transition, because not only do we have better vaccines against a broader range of infectious diseases, like diarrhea and pneumonia, which are the biggest killers of children, but we also now have vaccines against a number of major causes of cancer. And so we're beginning, as the world is shifting towards non-communicable diseases and the aging paradigm, we now have tools that we can use as part of that. And having people understand the power of vaccines, both for infectious diseases, but also for chronic diseases, is important. We've heard something about the market-shaping work that's going on, and I think that's very important. What GAVI did is it created a market for the countries. I liked your term frontier countries. It's a very politically correct way of saying it. But small African countries could not compete in the marketplace because they didn't have reliable finance over time and their market wasn't big enough. But by consolidating, we have 73 countries. We have a birth cohort of almost 75 million, and we have the ability to fund over many years because of IFM. We can shape the market, and that's an important part of changing the paradigm with working with pharmaceutical companies. And I think this is a really good thing. We've heard that now the majority of GAVI's manufacturers are now in the developed world, which provides for healthy markets, it provides for healthy competition, and that's good for the world. I also appreciate the call out for product development partnerships, another innovative way. And the speaker was too polite to say this, but I think this is a new thing in Japan. Shudo Yamazaki, who's sitting in the audience, worked with IAVI to bring this concept to the Japanese government, and the Japanese government did support IAVI as a product development partnership a few years ago. It took some time for people to become comfortable with it. But I think, again, this is a partnership that can make a difference in the world and help both here as well as overseas. And lastly, I really like the fact that we had a mixture of these different partners. So sitting on the table is nutrition, pharma, finance, UNICEF, and each one is bringing something special to this discussion and in this way of working. And what's really nice is they're bringing something special and different, but together they're all trying to move towards a similar goal. And that is the strength of the new way we are working in global health, and I think it's a really promising one, and I look forward to further working with all of you and with Japan in the future on this, in this type of way. Thank you very much.